Principal reduction, often called principal paydown, is the paying down of the principal amount of the debt or the loan balance over time. When a loan is amortizing, in other words, principal and interest are both being paid with the payments, the amount of principal reduction increases with each payment. Over time, the principal reduction increases the amount of equity in the property. To calculate principal reduction is very easy. You just determine the loan balance at any given point in time and then subtract that balance from the original loan amount. Principal reduction is one of the 4 wealth generators of investment real estate, and particularly over time, it can be quite significant in terms of the amount of wealth that it can build for the investor by increasing the amount of equity in the property.